So what have been the key highlights and how? What is your say? Is it a good budget? What is it?
Well, as far the finance, we would like to thank the finance minister on behalf of the chamber because it was a very good budget, and as far as industry is concerned, they have given a very good. She has given a lot of, you can say, nice promotional things, and for as far as Goa is concerned, we have got maritime this given to maritime shipbuilding. Tourism we have got about, they said that she said that there will be about 50 destinations, special. I hope Goa will be one of them, and we are thinking, we know that Goa should be one of them because we are doing very well in tourism. MSMEs, we have got so many for the MSMEs, and so we have got so many women also in the MSMEs. So we expect that we will be doing very well in MSMEs as well. And as far as personal slabs are concerned, the one which is given for the lower income group, zero taxes for up to rupees 12 lakhs. That is the best, which is, like, it is like a punch. We did not expect that much, but we are very happy with it. And whatever proposals we had given from the GCCI, they have been accepted by, most of them have been accepted by the government, state as well as the central. So we are very happy about it also. And let's see what is there in the fine print. We are waiting for that, and the new income tax bill, that too we are waiting for it because it is a good change, good welcome decision that she has given, and we are waiting for it also.
Madam, as far as Goa is concerned,
Yeah.
so how do you see this budget? And what can Goa
Get from this, right? See, we have got so many MSMEs here. There are, and then we have got fishing. Fishing is one of our main industries in Goa. So there also we have got so many different things she has given for the exports of fish products. Then shipbuilding also is there. That she has also helped us in giving us a lot of facilities for shipbuilding. So also this manufacturing also, because MSMEs are concerned, and as far as tourism is concerned, tourism also, we are there in tourism, so we can say that there also we are going to benefit. And we will only know when the fine print comes, we will know exactly what we are going to get. Well, as far as the MSMEs are concerned, what has happened, we as GCCI also we are trying to bring a lot of women as well as young men into this fold, because nowadays we should not depend on jobs. Most important is that we should do something on our own, and that is the main aim where we are all trying to young youth women in this fold. The MSMEs to grow, and they are really growing at a very great scale. So also startups, you know how many startups have grown in last 2, 3, 4 years. We have got so many startups in Goa as well as India. So we are expecting, we want our young youth and our women to be, more proactive towards businesses and try to grow. That is what we would like to do.
Chamber welcomes this budget.
Yes, very much. We all on behalf of the chamber welcome this budget very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.